Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add newsletter for your site in Weebly. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on newsletter and just paste it wherever you want, but I want to add it like here. And now you can edit it, really simple. So click on it, you can go to form options. First, form name, you can name it whatever you want. Your email, where everything will go. Opt-in, I wouldn't have it. Confirmation, message, okay. And spacing button, okay. Click here to edit. Join our news. Nice. Email required, of course. Instructions, you can have them. And then you have like here they're receiving marketing and promotional materials. And then subscribe to newsletter. So this is how you can actually do it. But what I honestly recommend, I will show you. When you click on a link down below in the description, click on it, you will get here on the site called L-Site. L-Site is a really good company with a lot of widgets to use, and one of them is pop-up for newsletter. When you sign up for free and when you're gonna click login, you are going to be here in applications and just right here pop-up. Here you want to click on pop-up. You can choose, I don't know, newsletter subscribe here. That is going to be like pop-up newsletter on site, which is much better than what we did here in Weebly. Continue with the template. You can play with the banner, with the title, with everything. And then let's change the overlay. Yeah, like this. So this is how we got it. And now when I'm going to just click save, you can edit everything, layout, slide in left, modal, just click save. And now you will have a code. Before that, you can choose between like light version, which is 200 views, or basic version. Is really up to you what you're gonna choose, or all applications for 15 bucks a month. Really up to you what you do. You can check it out. And now here, you just want to go to the settings, go to the SEO and add it to header and just click save. So right now, when you're going to publish the site, you will see the newsletter there. Also, I recommend when I'm going to click edit here, display, you can go with the triggers, time on page, on scroll to element, on click, frequency, you can go like every day, every week, show once, and you got it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll try to help you. You know how it works, you know how it goes. So thank you and goodbye.